Hi, greetings of the day. Once again, warm welcome to my channel with a new video on analyzing the market cycle. It has been most terrific bull cycle wherein most of the people have been expecting a fall at every rise and market has been denying it continuously. This time, let's see our analysis based on the sidereal sun movement, Fibonacci ratio, and Gann octave theory. This is just my attempt to analyze the future based on the past outcome of same theory. So let's move on from here. The topic of the video is reversal due or Nifty is going to hit 17400 plus? Let's see what Sidereal says. Before we move on to this video, let us have a recap of one of my earlier video on the topic trading Nifty and Bank Nifty with VIX. After the release of the same video, Nifty has given two long signals as it was a long only video 15688 to 15923, then from 15761 to 17132 and still open. Let us have a chart to it. When I have developed this video, at that time I was not having a trading view indicator, but now it is there with me with the help of one of my good friend and a follower of my channel, and he has helped me to code this, and the result is in front of you. This exceptionally matched with the Excel sheet which I have shared on the video. If you see, the current one is long and there is no lock or an exit signal from here, and we have been moved from good 400-500 points from the entry signal. Now, let us come back to our original topic, that what is basically a fib ratio. We are going to use the fib golden ratio, which is a special number that equals to 0.618 and the reversal of 1 upon 1.618. Then we are going to see what is sidereal time. It is the angle measured along the celestial equator from the observed meridian to the great circle that passes through the March equinox and both celestial poles and is equally expressed in hours, minutes, and seconds. This particular three lines simply means that when you stand at Earth and see the sky, every planet has some planetary positions in angles or degrees, seconds, hours. So we are expressing every planetary positions in the concept of hours, minutes, and second, and which we will be using in our video also. A sidereal day, if we talk of a sun, is approximately 86164.0905 seconds. That is 23 hour 56 minutes 4.0905 second, or 23.93 44696 hour. That is 24 hours a day. What is octave? Gann said that take the range of the low to the high, apply 8, that is 1/8 to the range. Based on there only being 8 tones between octave, Gann was telling you to look for the musical harmony of notes and tones within the low to high range price. Now what I have done is that I have used this octave theory, but I have modified it to my way to find out the patterns and if they have been giving me a good results or not. And I find that when I am doing this along with the sidereal sun theory, I was getting a very good results, which we will see in the coming parts. So now we have a video in front of us or a screen wherein I have marked certain dates like 30th April 20, 12th June, 24th July 2020, and like on. And if you see the last date, that is coming out to be 03rd September 21. And we have certain prices, that's the horizontal line, that is 844993338 and so on. Now if you see the beauty of this, you will see that how beautifully before in the between 30th April 20 and 12 June 20 the price respected 10327 range and fall down. And then if you see the 12th June 20 vertical line, how well a green candle was formed and the fall was stopped. And from there again upward movement started. When we reach 24th July 2020 with a price range of 11278, a good consolidation of 4-5 candles were there. Again we dropped few points and again we start rising up. If you see a very big red candle just before 2nd September of 20, we got a fall. Then again there has been a consolidation, we again fall, respected the lower range, and again we move forward. Again just coming before 22nd October 2020, we have a very big red candle, again we start moving up, consolidated, and again we fall down respecting the lower range of 11278. And then again, we moved on to a new quadrant. So basically what we are doing is that we are trying to make a time price square. That is a very critical concept in the Gann theory. So I have just tried to implement the time price square based on the sidereal sun theory. So let us see how this price have come down to me, how these dates have come down to me, and a simple plotting of those prices and the dates on a trading view chart. So let us move down to our Excel sheet, wherein I will show you the sudden calculation. Straight. Okay. So I believe this Excel is in front of you. Now what I have taken is the 24th March 2020. The low of Nifty was 7511. What I have did is that I converted this price into time. That gives me 12 hours 07 minute 43 seconds. Now if you ask me from where this time come, I will explain you. Now let us see Octave. So what I have done is that I have taken the 1/8 of my price, that is a 7511. I have taken the 1/8 of the price and then keep on multiplying it for the cycle. Cycle number 1, cycle number 2, cycle 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So these are the cycle where I'm getting my Octave prices. So how I'm getting is that I'm just dividing the 7511 upon 8 into 1, 7511 upon 8 into 2, and so on. Now, how I am getting the target price? That I am adding the Octave price to the base low price of 7511. So here, if you see, I have just added 7511 to this price of 938. I am getting this price, and this price keeps on moving for each of my cycle till cycle number 16. You can increase it on as per your wish. Now, what is the Fibonacci ratio? We understand what Fibonacci play a role, and we know that the golden Fibonacci ratio is either 1.618 or 0.618. So I have taken 0.618 into consideration. Now I have taken the 0.618 of my Octave value, that is 938.875. I have taken the Octave value of this, that gives me the Fib ratio of 580.2248 for that particular low. Now, how I have to move forward is that I have to again convert this particular price into time, that is hour, minutes, and seconds. So when I have converted this, I got 2 hours, 40 minutes, and 14 seconds. This column, what I did is that I added this value of column H to my time of column C to get this particular time. And in next, what I have done is that this value of I which I got, again I added with column H value, I got this value. Same for getting this value, I have added this plus this to get this, and so on till cycle number 16. Now, this is how what I am getting are the time. Now, how to get time from the date? Because price is now known to me. Price is this, target price are this. This is known to me. These are drawn in the chart. These are drawn on the chart. Now, what I have to do, I have to get this particular combination of planet, that is a sidereal sun value. So I have to find that when sun was on which particular date on this particular planetary position. For that, what we will do, just a minute. We will move on to the ephemeris of sun for the year 2020. I will move down to 24th March 2020, and I get this hours, hour, minute, second. So if you see my Excel sheet, 12:07:43, if you see the value of sun position on March 24th is 12:07:43, this value. So this is our base value based on the date when we hit the low. Now, I have added this value of column C with the value of column H, that is basically the time, representing the price, and the price is the fib ratio of the octave value. I have got this time, I added this time to this time, so I got 14 hours 47 minutes 57 seconds. Now what I have to do, I have to go back to ephemeris. I need to see when sun was at this particular planetary position, 14 hour, what we say, 14 hour 47 minutes 57 seconds. Okay, so we move down and see 14 hour 47 minutes. Okay, so this time is in between May 03 and May 04. Fine. So you either of this day will be taken out and plus minus of 1 days for any good time price square to happen. Now, if we again go back to the chart, if you see, I must have pointed that particular value. Just a minute. Okay, so what was the date as per ephemeris? It was May. I feel I have not plotted May over there. Just a minute. I have not plotted May. I have directly plotted June. So let me see what is the June value. This 17, 28, 11. Let me go back to ephemeris. 17, 28, 11. 17, 28, 11 will fall somewhere in between June 13 and June 14. So I have drawn cycle on 12th June. Okay, 17. Let me go back to Excel. 17, 28, 11. Just a minute. Okay, so basically 13 and 14 were holiday. 13 and 14 were holiday. So I have plotted 12th June over here. Okay, fine. So I have plotted 12th June over there. You can see a good green candle and a reversal from the fall, which was appearing from the price band of 10 to 10.3 to 7, and 10.3 to 7 is my price over here. So you need to understand that it is not mandatory that this time and this price matches. If they matches, it is a perfect time price square and a big reversal is going to happen. But then also, if it doesn't happen, you have full liberty to go for and check for any reversals in the movement, and price will always either resist fall from this particular target prices. You can see 10.3 to 7 how well it works from here. So that's the 10.3 to 7 line, and how the price have just rejected this particular band and have fallen down. It just take out this price from this band and just move on continuously to the next band of 11 to 78, which is 11 to 66, which is mentioned over here, and it is mentioned on the chart also. Now, the next date which we have to calculate is coming out to be 24 July. So let's take the next value to be 20 hours 8 minutes 25 seconds. So again, go back to sidereal chart of 2020, and we have to find out 20 minutes 8. Okay, perfectly. July 24th. July 24th is the date. Okay, now let us go back. July 24th. I have drawn this. See, perfectly. Nothing much happened, but this price have continuously respected this band of 11 to 66, has fallen some good points just after 3-4 days of 24th July, and again tried to breach this band and move up. And just before 2nd September 2020, you can see you have a good fall. Let us see how we get 2nd September 2020. This means I have to work for 22, 48, 39. Again, go to the sidereal chart. 22, 48, 39. 22, 48, 39. Okay, so it will between September 2 and September 3rd. September, I have drawn September 2nd. Okay, Fine. It may be the next date is 3rd September. Okay, so I have taken 2nd September. You can see that we just for the green candle, we get some reversals. We hit the bottom of the band. We did not reach it. We moved up, and again we try to breach this band. We fall, and again we taken up this band, and we again reach up, 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 up. So this is very well, combination of price and time. And if you see at any moment your price band and time bands are matching on a particular row of a Excel sheet, then it's a perfectly timed price square. Now, if you continuously go on doing this, I have plotted every dates over there. If you see, this is the band. The next coming date with us is 3rd September 2021. We have see how beautifully this box has moved up continuously, no regrets. Here, see how beautifully this band has been respecting the price. Rejection, rejection, rejection. There are 4, 5, 6 rejections from this particular band, that is of 15961. If you see again, beautiful rejection from 15022 for at least 2 times. Again, a good support we were getting here at 14086. So this particular theory will give you a good analysis to get your support and resistance also. Now, it's a good big band. So if you want to have a better analysis that, okay, I cannot play this bigger band, what you can do, you just take the average of the prices. So average of 8919. So it's the average of these two price, 9858. So it is the average of these two price. Now, say for example, I draw the average of 16430. Fine. So let me draw that particular price band over here. And 16430. Let me give the color as red. See, it was just taking a hit over here, dropped, respected this red line, again moved up. Let us take another band in between 1502 to 15961. 1502 to 15961. I will get this price 15491. Let me draw another red line. 15. Let me draw it with red again and set the coordinates to 15491. See, again a beautiful rejection from this line, beautiful support over here with this line. 3-4 times it has taken a support on this particular line. So this middle band will also give you a better positioning for your support and resistance. If we cannot play that big band, you can play with the mid of the support and resistance of the bigger band. So I am very hopeful to see that what happens on 3rd of September. Either we are going to have a good reversal, or we go on hitting 17838, and before that we are expecting a target of 17369.19. And if that hit and it sustain that band, definitely we are going to hit 17838. Nothing is impossible in the market. If any reversal comes, our first focus should be on 16899 and 16430. And by that time, we will have another new time price square reaching out there. So by this analysis of using the Sidereal Sun theorem, Octave value, and the Fibonacci ratio, you can convert any price into time to date, and then you can find out that where my time price square is going to happen. If you know anything about Mr. Gann, then you must understand the big value and the big advantage of knowing the time price square beforehand. So I thanks again all of you for being with me, watching this video. Request you to please like the video, please subscribe my channel. We are already 440 plus. Please try to make it reach a better value, and we keep on adding more and more videos over here. Thank you.